Obtaining a library card.
Excuse me, is this the place where I can get a library card?
Yes, it is. Welcome to our library. I can help you right now. It will take only a few minutes. We are happy to have new people join us.
Oh, good. I just moved to Portland last week. I love reading books, especially stories about adventures and history. I want to borrow some soon.
That sounds great. We love readers like you. Do you have time now to fill out a short form? It's very easy.
Yes, I have time. What information do you need from me? Do I need to bring special papers?
I need to see your photo ID, like a passport or driver's license, and something with your new address, maybe a bill from your home. This helps us make sure everything is correct.
For my ID, I have my driver's license here. Is that okay? It has my photo and name.
Yes, a driver's license is perfect. And for your address, a phone bill or electric bill works well. We need to know where you live now.
I have my new electric bill in my bag. It came in the mail yesterday. Here are both the license and the bill.
These are great. Thank you so much. Now, please fill out this short form. Just write your full name, your phone number, and maybe your email if you have one. It helps us send you updates about new books.
Okay. The form looks very simple. I can do it quickly. Do I need to write my birthday too?
No, just name and phone for now. It's easy, like eating cake. Let me know if you have any questions about the words.
I'm all finished now. Here you go. I wrote everything clearly.
Thank you. Let me type this information into the computer. It will take 1 minute. We have a big system to keep track of all members. All right, we are all set. Here is your brand new library card. It has your name on it. You can start using it today.
That was so fast and easy. Thank you very much. I didn't think it would be this quick.
You're very welcome. You can borrow up to 20 books at one time. We have many sections: fiction, nonfiction, children's books, and more.
20 books? I'm so happy, like I'm in the clouds. What else can I borrow? Do you have other things?
We also have movies on DVD and music CDs you can borrow for free. And we have computers if you need to use the internet.
This is amazing. I will come back often. Thank you again for your help today.
My pleasure. Enjoy exploring the library. There are comfortable chairs to sit and read.
I will. Have a good afternoon.
You too. Come back soon.
Sending a package.
Good morning. I need to mail this package to Italy. It's a gift for my family there.
Good morning. All right. Have you filled out a customs form for it yet? We need it for things going to other countries.
A customs form? No, I didn't know about that. What is it exactly? Is it hard to do?
It's a special form for international mail. You need to write your name, the full address in Italy, and describe what is inside the box. It's important for the post office to know.
Oh, okay. I understand now. Where can I get one of these forms? Do you have them here?
Right here at the counter. I can help you fill it out step by step. It's easy, like a simple list. What is in the package? Tell me more.
It's a birthday gift for my grandmother. Inside, there is a nice book about Italian history and a small painting I made myself. Nothing big or heavy.
That's lovely. She will like it. On the form, just write book and painting and how much they cost, like their value in dollars. Be honest about it.
Okay, I can do that. The book cost $10 and the painting is worth about $20. Thank you for explaining. I'm finished writing. Is this correct? Let me show you.
Let's see. Yes, that looks perfect. You did a good job. Now please put the package on this scale so I can weigh it.
Here you go. It's not too heavy, I think.
All right. The weight is 2 pounds. You have a few shipping options. The fastest way takes 1 week, but is more expensive, about $50.
And the other option? I don't need it to be super fast.
The slower way takes about 3 weeks, but it costs less, only $28.50. Many people choose this for gifts.
Her birthday is not for another month, so the slower option is fine. I'd like to save some money.
Sounds good. Then your total is $28.50. You can pay with cash or card.
Thank you for explaining everything so clearly. I was a little confused at first.
My pleasure. Here is your receipt with the tracking number. You can go online to see where the package is every day.
That's very helpful. I can check on my phone. Thank you again.
You're welcome. Have a wonderful day. Safe travels for your package.
You too.
Greeting a new neighbor.
Excuse me, hello. I see you are moving in with boxes and furniture.
Oh, hello. Yes, today is my first day in this apartment. I'm David. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, David. I'm your next-door neighbor, Emily. I live in apartment 2B. Welcome to the building. It's a quiet and friendly place.
It's great to meet you, Emily. Thank you for the welcome. I was feeling a bit tired from carrying things.
Of course, moving is hard work. You have to pack everything, drive, and unpack. If you need anything, like water or help with the box, please let me know.
It is a lot of work. Actually, I do have one quick question about the building.
Fire away. I'm happy to help. I've lived here for 2 years.
I need to set up my internet soon because I work from home. Do you know which company provides service to this building? There are so many choices.
Oh, that's a good question. Most people here use a company called Connect Fast. They have good plans for home offices.
Connect Fast. Okay, I will look them up on my phone later. Is the service good? Does it work well for video calls?
It's pretty good. The speed is fast, about 100 Mbps, and I don't have many problems. Like, only once last year it was slow.
That's great to hear. It's always hard to know which company to choose when you move to a new city.
I understand. It can be a big problem to set up all that stuff, like internet, TV, and electricity.
Yes, it is. You have helped me a lot already. Thank you.
It's no problem at all. Are you from Atlanta, or did you move from far away?
No, I just moved here from Florida for a new job in marketing. It's my first time in Georgia.
Well, welcome to Georgia. It's a great state with nice weather and good food. Atlanta has parks and museums to visit.
Thanks. I'm excited to explore the city on weekends. Maybe find some restaurants.
Well, I'll let you get back to your unpacking. There are many boxes. Don't hesitate to knock on my door if you need to borrow a tool, like a hammer or tape.
That is so kind of you. I might need tape later. Thank you again, Emily.
You're welcome. See you around, David. Maybe we can chat more later.
See you.
Seeking pharmacy advice.
Excuse me, can I ask you a question? I'm looking for some medicine for a cold.
Of course. I'm the pharmacist here. I can help you. What are your symptoms? Tell me how you feel.
I have a bad headache and a runny nose. It started yesterday after I was outside in the rain.
I'm sorry to hear that. You sound uncomfortable. Do you have a fever? Did you check with a thermometer?
No, I checked my temperature this morning at home. I don't have a fever, just 37 degrees.
Okay, that's good. And do you need to work or drive today? Some medicines can make you tired.
Yes, I have to work this afternoon at my office. I can't take anything that will make me sleepy or slow.
I understand. You need a non-drowsy formula, one that keeps you awake. Let me think for a moment. This medicine right here is very good for daytime use. It helps with headaches and runny noses, and it's safe for work.
And it won't make me tired? I need to focus on my computer.
That's right. It's made specifically for daytime, so you can get on with your day without problems. Many people use it.
That sounds perfect. How many pills should I take each time?
The directions say to take 2 pills with a glass of water. You can eat food with it if you want.
Okay, and how often can I take it? Every hour?
You can take it every 6 hours, but don't take more than 6 pills in one day. That's the maximum.
Every 6 hours. I will be careful and set a timer on my phone. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Also, be sure to drink plenty of fluids like water or hot tea with lemon. It helps your body fight the cold.
I will do that. I really appreciate your advice. I was confused with all these options on the shelf.
It's my pleasure. I hope you start to feel better soon. Rest when you can.
Me too. Thank you again.
You're welcome. Take care and come back if you need more help.
Getting a basic haircut.
Hello, welcome to the Modern Cut. This is a nice salon with comfortable chairs. Do you have an appointment today?
Hi, no, I don't. I was just walking by the street and saw your sign. Are you busy right now?
It's your lucky day. I just had a cancellation from another customer. Please have a seat in this chair.
Great, thank you. I need a haircut before my meeting tomorrow.
So, what are we doing for you today? A trim or maybe a new style with color?
Just a simple trim, please. I want to keep the same style, but make it shorter all around. Not too much change.
You got it. How much would you like me to take off the top? Half an inch or more?
Not too much, maybe about an inch. I'm trying to grow it a little longer on top for a new look.
An inch is perfect. And what about the sides? Do you want me to use the clippers for a shortcut or scissors for something softer?
I'm not sure what is best. I just want it to look neat and clean, like for work. No messy parts.
I think scissors will look more natural and nice. I can start cutting and you can tell me if it looks right in the mirror.
That sounds like a great plan. I'm always nervous my hair will be too short and I can't fix it.
I hear you. We'll take it step by step, slow and careful. No surprises. Do you want me to wash your hair first with shampoo? It makes cutting easier.
No, a dry cut is fine, thank you. I washed it this morning at home.
Okay, let me just put this cape around you to protect your clothes from hair.
This is a very nice salon. It's clean and bright. It's my first time here. How long have you been open?
We're happy to have you. We opened 2 years ago. We try to make everyone feel at home, like friends.
I do feel comfortable already. Thank you for being so helpful and patient.
It's my pleasure. All right, are you ready to start?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay, let's get started. Just relax and sit still.